Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDC from KuCoin to Binance in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both KuCoin and Binance. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms before starting. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Locate your USDC balance and click on the Withdraw button. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. By 2025, networks like ERC20 or TRC20 might have updated fees, so check current rates. Step 3. Head over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section, select USDC, and choose the Deposit option. Copy the deposit address, and double-check that it matches the correct network, e.g., ERC20 for Ethereum-based transfers, to avoid any mishaps. Step 4. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form on KuCoin. Review all the details, including the amount and network, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to enter a 2FA code for added security. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this might take just a few minutes, but always monitor the status on both exchanges. Step 6. After the transfer is complete, check your Binance wallet to ensure the USDC has arrived. If there's any delay, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a main account first and test with small amounts. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is crucial. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. See you in the next one.